Respected viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Shakir Shuja Abadi is a prominent Saraiki language poet. He is from Shujabad, a small city near Multan, Pakistan. Shakir Shuja Abadi is a renowned name in Saraiki poetry who holds true heart and feeling. Such poets always hold higher place in the society as their poetry depicts true aspects of personal and social life. Shakir Shuja Abadi verses, firm and uncompromising story of human suffering and unflinching courage, exposing life's cruel hardships and quiet warfare. Shakir Shuja Abadi's thought reflect life's erratic tide, unavoidable ascent and descent, evoking existence's terrible unpredictability. Shakir Shuja Abadi poetry in Urdu is famous among poetry lovers. Everyone loves to read Shakir Shuja Abadi Saraiki Shairi. असां उजड़े लोग मुकदरां दे वीरान नसीब दा हाल न पुछ तू शाकिर आप सियाना है सारा चेहरा पड़ा हालात न पूछ तेरे शाकिर शहर को छोड़ दी तुम तेरे शहर ते हर एक शख्स रुआए सकूं बाल के शाकिर हाथ से के असरात कक तेरे कम आसा डर लगता है शाकिर बारिशा तू असा आरजी नक्श दीवारां दे अवार्ड्स ऑनरेरी डॉक्टरल डिग्री PhD award by the Islamic University Bahawalpur in 2023. Star Imtiaz, Star of Excellence award by the President of Pakistan in 2023. Pride of Performance award by the Government of Pakistan in 2017. In 2007, he received his first presidential award. Governor Award honorary PhD degree to Shakir Shuja Abadi at the Islamia University of Bahawalpur. God bless you all the viewers. Goodbye.